Hi there everyone, welcome back to Black Forest FPV. Thanks for tuning in. My name is Bob, aka Sixpack FPV, and today I'm gonna show you a very exciting new budget frame I got. This is the iFlight Thor V2. I got this one from kwadzone.ch, a Swiss copter shop owned by colleagues of mine. So many greets to Lukas and Beat. This frame is about 25 euros, or 30 Swiss francs, or about, I think, $30. It's a 5mm frame, really strong. You see, when I try to flex it, there is no flex, a little bit, with quite a lot of use of power. I can flex it really only a little, so it's a quite stiff frame. The shining and the little spills on the carbon is a habit of mine. I used to seal the edges with CA. I believe it gives a little bit more strength, but I don't know if this is true. So what does this make this frame so interesting? For me personally, I think I like frames which are strong, and the 5mm carbon I think implies a little bit of strength, and I like all the cutouts, although they can be sometimes weakening the frame. But I like the fact that you can, you can build very different setups on this frame and have the freedom to mount your stuff where you want to. So perhaps you can fly a top-mounted battery or a bottom-mounted battery. You have the slots for the battery straps. You have very different possibilities to mount your antenna or VTX combo, and you can strap down your XT60 lead on the back if you like so. So this gives you a lot of opportunities and lets you choose off a lot of different components. Speaking of components, the frame doesn't fit a standard HS1177 size camera. You have to choose a mini or micro size camera, like the Runcam Mini, Runcam Micro, or the Racecam or something like that. What else I want to mention? Oh yes, although it's 5mm thick, I was very surprised about the weight you have with this frame. So I think with a weight of around 80 grams for a 5mm base plate, you're quite in front. And just a rough calculation, this makes, I think, about 300 gram builds possible. So that's not that light, but it's not that heavy. I think it's a good compromise. About 290 grams is the weight I like to fly. And I'm very excited and looking forward building up this frame. I think it will go together very well. I will put the Samguk motors on this frame, and the follow-up will be motors and frame 2-in-1. So just one video for a lot of information and flight footage. I hope I gave you all the information you need for this frame. Look it up online, go to the iFlight site. I think this could be a good and cheap and solid possibility for us budget flyers. So, thanks for watching. See you next time on the channel. And as always, happy flying and a lot of full lipos with you. See you next time. Bye.